Hey guys, I wanted to give you a little tutorial on another great way that you can connect with our class because we want to have as many opportunities out there for parents to be able to have a good communication line to the classroom as possible. So one of the best ways, if you need to get a hold of me, is to go to our school website, which is just www.rs-wolves.com. And then you go down here to the primary school, click on that tab, go over to About Us and down to the class direct or the staff directory. It's the easiest way to find us. Then you can just type in my name, and look, I'm the second one there that pops up. If you touch on that, it's going to take you to my website for our class. Gives you a little bit of information about me. You also have or about our class, and then you also have a tab that kind of gives you a little bit more information about Mrs. Krieger and who I am and my family. Then you also have our newsletters tab. I will post all of our newsletters up there and archive them for you. I also do some YouTube channel digital newsletters. My pedagogy just kind of explains my belief in education and learning. Also, we have some important things like our snack schedules that I'll post there. Then important forms, like if we're going on a field trip or we have things that parents are going to need, we like to put those things up there for you guys. Um, Photo albums. I try to keep them up there for a little while, so if parents want to come back and get some of that information, they can. Also, we have, if you scroll down a little bit further, we have links, and that provides you with the link to our awesome YouTube channel that you can subscribe to. Then there are also other tabs like general skills or parent information that you might want to check out. You also can get to my Twitter account here. You can follow Mrs. Krieger at @skrieger on Twitter. Then you also have the option of clicking this subscribe button and subscribing to my website so that anytime I put any new updates on, it'll send you an email and you'll be notified right away. That way you don't miss out on any of the fun things we have going on in our class. I hope you have a great day.